Hey guys, shalom, shalom, good morning, and welcome to Central Galilee. Here we are right now at the Kibbutz Kalnit, here at the Central Galilee, and we can explore the land, the beautiful land. So enjoy guys, and stay in tune with us today. God bless. This is the beautiful Sea of Galilee. In my back is the Sea of Galilee. Here we are, the mountains of Galilee. Here in Kibbutz Kalnit. And look, there's the mountains. So it's still springtime here. Galilee is a little bit cold in the morning, but look, it's the land of promise, the fertile land of Galilee. I was look, there's a lot of cows. Farm here in the beautiful land. Still early. Wow. Beautiful Kibbutz Kalnit here in the Central Galilee. And later on, we're going to explore the beautiful Sea of Galilee. So stay in tune guys. We can continue to explore the land, the beautiful land of Israel today. Beautiful and lovely. So nothing much here. It's all, it's a kibbutz, and that's a kibbutz here. A little bit sightseeing here of the beautiful Kalnit. Is one of the home of the virgin olives oil and the land. So within a few minutes we are going to the Sea of Galilee. So stay in tune guys. And we will explore the awesome, the fascinating beauty of the beautiful Sea of Miracles, or Sea of Galilee. Right now, here we are at the kibbutz. Kibbutzim. Kibbutzim. You can see nothing here. Okay guys, see you later. Stay tuned and we are going to the Sea of Galilee. God bless, see you there.